Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 23 group name standard first. So now let's learn about our topic. So, month of the year. So, here we can see a photograph of the month of the year. So, we have 12 months in the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So, a year is divided into 12 months in the modern day. So, Gregorian calendar, so the months are either 28, 29, 30, or 31 days long. And calendar with a 12 month, so each month has either 28, 30, or 31 days. And during a common year which has 365 days. So a year divided into 12 months, and it's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So the months are either 28, 29, 30, or 31 days long. And calendar with a 12 month, each month has either 28, 30, or 31 days. So childrens, you all are understand. March, April, May, June, July, all are the months, and these call a group of month. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's the cities. So here we can see a photograph of cities. So what is cities? So now we are learn about cities. Cities, cities. So a city is a large human settlement. It can be defined as a parliament and then densely settled place with administratively defined boundaries whose members work primarily on non-agriculture tasks, and cities generally have a extensive system so, for housing, transportations, sanitations, unities, and use and communication. So, a city is a large human settlement. It can be defined as a parliament and a densely settled place with administratively defined boundaries whose members work primarily on non-agriculture tasks, and cities generally have an exhaustive system for a housing, transportation, sanitation, unities, and use and communication. So, Mumbai, Bengaluru, all these are called as cities, and it's called a group of city called a cities. So, childrens, you all are understand what is cities. So now next these all are colors. So it's red, blue, green, orange, yellow, pink, purple, violet, turquoise, gold, lime, aqua, navy, coral, teal, brown, white, and black. So these all are a color. We call it all are a color, and the quality of an object or substance with a respect to light reflected by the object usually determined visually by measurement of hue, structuration, and brightness of the reflect light, staturations or chroma, give the natural appearance of the skin, especially if the face complexion and so there are all these colors and quality of object substance with a respect to light reflect by objects. So green, yellow, blue, orange, these pink, aqua, lime, violet, purple. So all these are colors, and the all colors are in a group, so we call a group of color. So childrens, you all are understand about colors. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's the food. So here we can see a photograph of lovely and sweet food, and also we like to eat food. So here we can see idli, dosa, then we can see biryani. So all these things are food, and food is any substance consumed to provide a nutrient support for an organism, and food is usually of plant, animal, and fungal origin, and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, or minerals. So, food is any substance consumed to provide a nutrition support for an organism, and food is usually of a plant, animal, or a fungal region, and contains essential nutrients such as and carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, vitamins, or minerals. So children, you all are understand about food. So food is a substance of to provide a nutrient support for an organism, and food is usually of a plant, animals, or a fungal origin, and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, and vitamins, or minerals. So children, you all are understand about food. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and this is a bird. So here we can see a photograph of bird. So these all are birds, and we here we can see different types of birds, and these all are birds. These birds are uh, we see here owl, then crow, then we see here sparrow, and various types of birds. So these all are birds. So birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrates constituting the classes as characterized by the feathers, toothless backed jaws, the laying of hard-shelled eggs, a high metabolic rate, a four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton. So, birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrates, and birds have birds have feathers and also wings, so characterized by the feathers, toothless bract jaws, the length of a hard-shelled egg, and high metabolic rate, a four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton. So birds have a lightweight skeleton, a light weight body, but a strong skeleton. And here we can see a photograph of birds. So birds have different feathers, different color feathers, and different body shapes. Birds all have feathers and all have a small body, but have a strong skeleton. So children, you all are understand about birds. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a vegetable. So here we can see a photograph of vegetable, and these all vegetables are give nutrients, and also vegetables are parts of the plants that are accustomed by the human or other animal as a food. So the original meaning is still commonly used and applied to plant collectively to refer to all established plant matter, including the flowers, fruits, streams, leaves, and roots and seeds. So, vegetables are a parts of plants that are consumed by humans or other animals as a food. So, the original meaning is still commonly used and applied to plants collectively to the refer to all the as edible plants matter, including the flowers, fruits, streams, leaves, roots, and seeds. So vegetable is a part that parts of a plants that are consumed by the human or other animal as a food, and the original meaning is still commonly used and applied to a plants collectively to the refer to the edible plants matter. So children, you all are understand that vegetables group and beans and carrots. Here we can see photograph of beans and carrots. So these all are vegetables, and these all are uh, give a protein, and so you all eat vegetables. So now next days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Monday is the first day, Tuesday second day, Wednesday is the third day, Thursday is the fourth day, and Friday is the fifth day, and Saturday is the sixth day, and Sunday is the seventh day. So there are a group of days, and in a week we have 7 days. So children's the days I am going to tell you about the days of the week. So there are 7 days in a week, and each day has a name. So here we can see each day has a name: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So each day have a name, and these days are 7, and 7 days have a 7 name. So in a week, 7 days. So childrens, you all are understand about days. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a trees. So here we can see a photograph of trees. So trees are we give trees and plants are a tall plants with trunks and branches made of wood. So trees, all trees, here we can see a trees give an oxygen, and we need trees. So trees is a tall plants with a trunk and branches made of wood. Trees can live for many years, while almost everyone knows that wood and paper products come from trees. So folk many not be as aware that many other produce we use on a daily basis come from trees. So a trees is a tall plants with a trunk and branches made of wood, and trees can live for many years, while almost everyone knows that wood can paper produce come from trees. Flock many not be as aware that many other products we use on a daily basis come from a trees. So, trees give us an oxygen, wood, also fruit, and we get from many things from trees. So, trees is give many things, and many other products we use on a daily basis come from a trees. So a tree is a tall plant with a trunk and branches made of wood, and trees can live for many years, while almost everyone knows that wood and paper products come from a trees. So childrens, you all are understand about trees. So now we are going to learn flowers. So here we can see so many flowers: sunflower, rose, then hibiscus, lotus, lily, rose, daisy, jasmine, lotus, and so many various daffodils, so many various and beautiful tulips. So there are so many various types of flowers. So children's flowers are sometimes known as a bloom, and a blossom is the reproductive structure found in flowering plants, and the biological function of a flower is to facilitate a flower, also known as a bloom or a blossom, and is the reproductive structure found in a flowering plants, and the flower structure contains the plant's reproductive organs, and its function is to produce seeds through reproduction, and after fertilization proteins of the flower develop into a fruit counting the seed. So a flower, sometimes known as a bloom or a blossom, is the reproductive structure found in a flowering plants, and the biological function of a flower is a facilitate a flower, also known as a bloom or a blossom, is the reproductive structure found in a flowering plants, and a flower structure contains the plant's reproductive organs, and its function is to produce seeds through reproduction after a fertilization. Proteins of the flower develop into a fruit containing and the seeds. So children, you all are understand about this flower. So now we are going to learn a next slide and its clothes. So here we can see a photograph of different types of clothes. So there are different types of clothes, and this is skirt, short, shirt, jacket. So there are different types of clothes. So clothing is also known as clothes appear and entire is items worn on the body. Clothes can insulate against the cold and hot conditions, and they can provide a hygienic barrier keeping infectious and toxic materials away from the body. And clothing is also provides a protection from the ultraviolet radiation. So here we can see a photograph of different types of clothes, and clothing is an insulate against a cold or hot condition, and they can provide a hygienic barrier keeping infections and toxic materials away from the body. And clothing is also provides a protection from the ultraviolet radiation. So children, you all are understand about clothes. So now we are going to learn exercise on it, unit number 23, group name. So you all are right with me, children. Number 1, March and April. So what is the group name? It's called March and April is a, yes, it's a month. So March and April is a month. Okay, very good. Now second, Mumbai and Bengaluru. So Mumbai and Bengaluru is, what is the Mumbai and Bengaluru? Yes, it's a cities. So Mumbai and Bengaluru is a cities. Very good. So okay, now number 3. You all are right with me, children. Okay, now number 3, green and yellow. So what is a green and yellow? Yes, it's a green and yellow. It's a colors. So green and yellow, it's a color. So children, you all are understand March and April is a month. Mumbai and Bengaluru is cities. Green and yellow, it's a color. Okay, now number 4, dosa and idli. So what is this? Dosa and idli. Yes, it's a, what is this? Yes, it's a food. So dosa and idli, it's a food. Very good, children. You all are right with me. Okay, now number 5, owls and crows. So owls and crows. What is this? Both are owls and crows. Yes, both are birds. Very good. So March and April month, Mumbai and Bengaluru is cities. Green and yellow, it's a colors. Dosa and idli is a food, and owls and crows is a birds. Okay, very good. Okay, now next, beans and carrots. So what is this? Beans and carrot. So what is this? Yes, it's a vegetable. So beans and carrots is a vegetables. Very good, children. Okay, now next, Tuesday and Friday. So what is Tuesday and Friday? Yes, it's a days. Tuesday and Friday, it's a days. Very good. Okay, now next, Neem and people. So neem and people is, what is this neem and people? It's a trees. So neem and people is a trees. Very good. Okay. Now next lily and rose. So what is lily and rose? It's a lily and rose flowers. Okay, now next skirts and short. So it's a skirt and shorts. It's a clothes. So very good children. So beans and carrots is a vegetable. Tuesday and Friday is a days. Neem and pickle is a trees. Lily and rose is a flower. Skirt and short is a close. So, children, you all understand. Hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So, students, I will see you next time. And also, students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home, and stay safe. Okay, student. Thank you, students. Bye bye, everyone.